This tutorial will show you how to upcycle your leftover fabric scraps to create a drawstring gift sack that you can use to wrap presents. This specific tutorial was made with Christmas-themed fabric, but you can easily use your fabric scraps to make something similar for birthdays or other gift-giving occasions. Just collect your fabric scraps, download the free pattern using the link in the description below, and get started. Start by arranging your fabric scraps. Lay out the fabric scraps and line them up however you like. You just need to make sure that your scrap collage is long enough for the pattern to fit. Remember to overlap the fabric pieces to account for seam allowance when you sew them all together. Once you are happy with the look of your scrap collage, one by one you want to sew each of them together. Make sure to press the seams as you go. Once your collage is all sewn together, overlay your gift sack pattern on top of the collage. Then you want to cut it out. With right sides together, fold the gift sack in half and sew along the side and the bottom. Leave a gap between the dotted lines indicated on the pattern. This will be where we add the drawstring later. Now you want to flatten the corners of the base to form little triangles and sew 1 inch from the edge. This will give the sack a little bit of dimension and it will help it stand up a little more. Fold over the top 3 inches of the bag. Then you want to sew along the 2 dotted lines on the pattern to form a casing. The lines of stitches should fall along the top and bottom of the gap that you left in the seam earlier. Now all you have to do is add the drawstring. Thread a piece of string or rope through the casing to finish the bag.